Okay, so I have Zion's RC car, and Tucker's watching, and Mikey's in the way, but we are going to try to jump over Zion. Okay. We did it once, and it was pretty cool, so we're going to try to do it again. You ready?
Upside down.
Yeah, I really think you should get upside down so it doesn't hurt your face.
Okay, fine. Give me a sec.
Okay, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, bad driving skills. Hold on, hold on. Very bad driving skills. Let me get right behind it. It'll probably be
Push
easier.
my legs up. So I don't get it.
Mikey, leave it alone.
Nice.
I want to see that on tape.
Okay.